Welcome to Pariksha series by Vishnu IAS Academy. Here we'll discuss one PYQ every day to help you write better answers. Today's question is again from GS1 paper and it came in 2020 UPSC mains. It goes, do you agree that regionalism in India appears to be a consequence of rising cultural assertiveness? Argue. Now, in a question like this, it's very important to balance both perspectives. On one hand, you need to show how regionalism is India's speciality, like how many cultures coexist, and second thing, how here the trick is to balance both the things. One, we need to show how each and every region, each and every culture is important, and second, how they can potentially lead to balkanization of India. You can start the answer on these lines. You can start how regionalism, it is the source of strength of India. You can use these words. And again, write how, if we don't check regionalist movements, how it can further balkanize the country. So in the body, you can start with what has happened before, like how Telugu identity created a new state. And after that, you can also give example of what's happening in the Northeast India, how identities have created new states from Assam and from Arunachal Pradesh. Next, you need to, since it's a GS1 paper, you need to write about States Organization Act 1956. Okay, based on linguistic identities that reflect cultural lines, we have reorganized our states. Now, background apart, we need to write about what's happening now. If we don't check it, what's happening over here is what's happening in Northeast India, the protests for Greater Nagaland and how violent it's becoming. Here we need to write how it's impacting the common man. In the name of state, in the name of greater protest, it's compromising the development of the state. After that, you can give a counter arguments if you want for all the above points, like why regionalization, like why all this problem, all this violence is coming in the first place. It's due to uneven development in this country, like in Bihar, Jharkhand or Vidarbha movements, where those particular areas are greatly neglected economically, speaking. You can conclude by giving a positive message. The conclusion should always be positive. The conclusion should be an inclusive message. Despite all this, the balkanization will never stop if we start giving different states for every identity. You need to emphasize here on unity of India and also the importance of regional development. Thank you.